Good morning, students. Let us begin our class with a beautiful story. Okay, so one day a group of frogs decided to conduct a running competition, and the goal was to reach the top of a very high tower. A lot of people came to watch this race competition and to give support to the participants. The race began. But no one in the crowd believed that those tiny frogs would reach the top of the tower. They started to shout, "Oh, the way is too difficult. You will never reach the top of the tower, and you were wasting your time." On hearing this, the frogs felt disappointed and discouraged. But only one frog continued to run, and everybody again started to shout, "Give up, give up, you will never reach the top." On listening to these negative words, more frogs gave up the race, but only one frog continued to run, and with great pain it reached the top. So it was a big surprise to all. They were too curious to know how it was possible for it to succeed and to reach the goal. The frog did not respond anything. It stayed mum with a big smile of success. Later, they realized that the winner was deaf. So, what is the moral of the story? Yes, never listen to the negative words of people because they take your most wonderful dreams and wishes away from you. So, people sometimes tell you, you cannot do it, or it is too difficult, or it is impossible, because it is their insecurities and they try to stop you. So, in such conditions, it is better to be deaf and focus on your goals. So, always believe in yourself and always think, I can do it. So, I wish have a good day. So, dear students, let us continue our class. So, we are going to start our fourth chapter, Windows and Introduction. So, we already learned what is Windows, isn't it? Yes. So, one of the most popular operating system is Windows. When you switch on the computer, the Windows operating system gets loaded into the memory of the computer, and in Windows, any file, folder or program that opens on the desktop is called a window. So when you switch on the computer, Windows, it is the most popular operating system, gets loaded into the memory of the computer, and then in Windows, any file, folder or programs that opens on the desktop is called window. So on the window, file, folder and programs gets open on the desktop. Now let us see what is a desktop. Once the computer is started and Windows is loaded, you see a screen with small pictures on it. This screen is called the desktop and the pictures that are placed on it are called icons. So dear students, while watching the video, you have to keep your textbook with you. Okay. So once the computer is started and Windows is loaded, you see a screen with small pictures on it. This screen is called desktop and the pictures that are placed on it are called icons. So underline these sentences. So when your computer starts for the first time, a beautiful picture or background appears with many things, and this is called desktop. So this is our desktop and it will look like this. So once the computer is started and Windows is loaded, you see a screen with small pictures on it. This screen is called the desktop. So what is desktop then? So from here to here, it is a definition of desktop. Then the pictures that are placed on it are called icons. So what are icons? So here at the left corner you can see some pictures and these are called icons. The pictures that are placed on desktop are called icons. The desktop is like a pencil box in which you keep your pencils, erasers, sharpeners and crayons. So this desktop is like our pencil box because like a pencil box, this desktop also contains some icons of pencils, erasers, sharpeners and crayons. But instead of these things, the desktop keeps the icons ready for you to use. So instead of this pencil, eraser and sharpeners for coloring purpose, crayons. So instead of these things, our desktop contains certain icons. Next, let us see what is icon. An icon is a symbol which represents a file, folder or program. So what are icons? An icon is a symbol which represents a file, folder or program. The taskbar. It is located at the bottom of the desktop. It contains the start button, the clock and other buttons. So this taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop. So at the bottom of this desktop you can see this taskbar, and this taskbar contains start button, then notification area, clock, then some more applications. The start button and start menu. So here you can see this start button. The start button is found in the left corner of the taskbar. It is the most important button on the desktop. So underline this. The start button is found in the left corner of the taskbar and it is the most important button on the desktop. On clicking this start button, a menu of various items displayed on the screen. This menu is called start menu. So on clicking using the mouse pointer, using the mouse, we have to click on this start button so that a menu comes, and this menu is called start menu. It shows all the programs and applications links required to use and maintain the computer. So this menu, start menu, shows all the programs and applications which are required for doing work on the computer. So here you can see turn off the computer, log off, then run, help and support, the search, settings, document, progress ring. You can see these programs and applications on this start menu. Switching off the computer. After completing your work, you need to shut down your computer. So after completing our all work, what we have to do? We have to shut down our computer. So how to shut down? Click on the start button. So at the bottom of this desktop or in the taskbar you can see this start button. So you have to click on this start button so that you can see here turn off the computer. So select turn off computer option from the list. So here you can see that turn off computer. So you have to click on this. Then a box like the one in the picture appears. So on clicking this, a box appears. Turn off option from the box. So from this box we have to select turn off. Wait for some time till the computer gets shut down. So we have to wait for few minutes to shut down. So in this way we can able to shut down our computer. So what we learned today? Yes, Windows. So Windows is one of the most popular operating system, and we studied desktop. Then what is desktop? Once the computer is started and Windows is loaded, you see a screen with small pictures on it, and this screen is called desktop. And what are icons? An icon is a symbol which represents a file, folder or program. Then what is taskbar? So taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop. It contains start button, the clock and other buttons. Then on clicking on this start button, a menu appears. It is called start menu, and it shows all the programs and application links which are required for use and maintain the computer. Then how to switch off the computer? Press or click on this start button. So in the start menu you have to click turn off the computer. On clicking on this, a box appears, and in this box you have to select turn off. After a few minutes our computer gets shut down. So in this way we can switch off the computer. So dear students, you have one homework. So here you can see a computer, keyboard and a CPU. So you have to make this picture more beautiful by giving colors. Okay, so in a sheet paper you have to draw this picture, and after drawing this picture you have to give color. Okay, so using crayons or using sketch pen or using watercolor or any other paint, you can make it beautiful. Okay, so after completing this you have to send. Okay.